At PDAC 2017, we're with Jerry Xie, the Executive Vice President for China Gold International. Jerry, welcome to SmallCapPower.
Thank you.
So can you give us a quick overview of China Gold?
We are only the international vehicle of the China National Gold Group in China. So China National Gold Group is the largest gold producer and a center-level SOE. China Gold International, the former name was Jinshan Gold Mine. The founder was Robert Phelan.
Okay.
And he set up this small company earlier in this year 2000, went to China to looking for some gold properties, and he found few, but only kept the one. And in 2008, China National Gold Group picked this small company up and bring this the property into the operation level.
Right.
And we also changed its name in 2010 from a Jinshan Gold Mine to China Gold International. Meanwhile, we inject another big property from China Gold Group, our parent company. We call it Jama Copper Gold Polymetallic Mine from them in 2010.
And is your strategy focused on M&A or is it organic growth?
Both. Actually, both. You can take the whole growth strategy, put the China Gold International and China Gold Group into one, because we are legally we're two companies, but day-to-day operation actually they are our parent company was subsidiary, right? So we share the same strategy. We just based on the both organic growth and M&A. So you can see that organically, our gold mine just finished the expansion by doubling the production. 2 years ago, it's already finished. Right now, it's the steadily sort of put operation. And another one is the even bigger and more complicated one is the Jama Polymetallic Mine. The expansion plan is aiming at from 6,000 to 50,000 tons per day. It's a really big jump. The expansion is mostly on schedule. The expansion, the phase one, been already finished. Just past December 1st, the commissioning is finished, and we're looking at ramping up to the fully loaded, the phase one. Now phase two is really a part of, depends on the copper price. If a copper price sitting on right now, the level, we will reach that 80% of fully loaded. The fully loaded output will be 176 million pounds of copper.
And now moving on, gold recovery at the CSH mine is improving, but still at 52%.
Yes.
What's your strategy to improve and stay away from heap leaching?
Yeah, as you may know, the recovery rate is really affected by few factors, like a temperature of the weather, like a grade of the ore, or how long the chemicals are dropping through the whole heap. So now the reason that you can see that a little bit lower than last year is because we just opened a new pad. So every time the new pad is set up, that's when they drop the recovery rate down a little bit, but temporarily. Because of the ore is dry, when it is fully synced, will be recovered soon.
What stage of gold assets in other countries are you interested in acquiring? We
just, as the international vehicle of the group, that's our major task, so looking for the opportunity targets. We set up a very clear metrics, criteria, and we prefer copper and gold. Well, because we're a gold producer, we're a copper producer as well. For sure, the commodity-wise, we are looking for the gold and the copper. For the stage-wise, we prefer mature or operational. And for the size, we prefer 3 million ounces around for gold or 1 million tons and above for the copper.
Now lastly, for investors, why choose China Gold to invest in rather than a similar size Canadian or Australian company?
Well, you can see we have lots of strengths, right? So few things. First, we have the very strong support from our parent company, because our parent company is a full industry chain. It's not too many the global. You can look at the global mining industry. Not too many company like our parent company like that. They have the full industry chain from a survey, exploration, construction, operation, and a jewelry store. 2,200 across the nation, because the physical jewelry store, and also they have their EPC form, they have the R&D form, they have the refinery, they have a smelter, everything. So technically, they can support us, and also as the central SOE, financially they can help us. Give it very strong, give us access to the low cost financing. You can look at our PowerPoint and you can see that, or our website. 3 years ago, we just issued a bond. US dollar bond, like a 3.5% interest rate. It's because we just credit rating is triple B minus. That's right now this year is only one.
Okay.
Still sitting there, not downgrade. It's because they are fully support.
All right. Well, Jerry, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.